spindle. Okay. What speed is that? 500 RPM. Okay. What speed on that one? 500 RPM again. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay, another one. All right, and let's move the chip conveyor, show how easily the doors move. I think that'll be it. Okay, you just show how the door slides. Okay. Batteries have all been changed. Variable speed on the chip conveyor. Two more live milling tools that have not been installed. Operators and electricals.